That's in. Oh, yeah. Now, since we have changed the brake settings, they feel like traditional brakes. So realistically, when I was having all that trouble trying to wheelie, it was kind of hurting me at the same time, because as soon as I would touch the brake, it would just want to drop the bike down. Now, it should have some pressure to where if I want a little bit... Oh. Yeah, it's giving a little bit. Yeah, see, that's great. If you don't already have the dongle, I'm going to put the link to it in the description. Once you get it connected, it just clicks right in. You might have to stick a pair of pliers or something in there, because mine was kind of stuck deep in there. You want to turn the key on. Once you have connected to the app, boom, it just loaded up, because I've already previously connected. I've already turned all this up. But where the real stuff is at is in here, is in the pro mode. Right now you're looking at the after. These are all the ratios, speeds, all the percentages that have changed. I bet mine doesn't look anything like the stock one now, because I've already changed all of this. And the energy regenerate. I don't even know if the stock power had even 20% on the 500 RPM, but on yours, it's gonna have all zeros. It will regenerate the battery a whole lot better while you're riding. Yes, there is gonna be a slight drag, but then again, this is a dirt bike. The biggest question I was looking for the longest time, and I didn't know if it was adjustable or not, the brakes. The brakes are adjustable. The normal one is stop when ground, but most of these, because it is an electronic brake system, the stock bike, when you get it, as soon as you touch the brake, it cuts power. It is just an electrical shutoff as soon as you hit the brake. What you want to do is change it to linear brake, and it's going to behave like a traditional dirt bike. This thing is completely different now. It is just so much fun. If you're looking for a weekend dirt bike to ride around for a couple hours on end, this is not really what you're looking for. This is more of a sidekick. This is something you would bring camping with you if you're already, you know, going mud bogging or something. This is like something you throw in the back of your truck. This thing is so light, you can literally just strap it to the side of anything. But now, once you have made all your changes, do not forget to hit the save button on the bottom. Click save, and it will beep beep, go right back to its normal dashboard. After you save it, you turn the key off, disconnect the dongle, comes right out, save that for later. Now you turn it back on. Yeah, that's real scary. So now this thing is picking up faster, RPMs all through the gears, it's just picking up and going. I might make a video on how to put new tires on, because dirt bike tires are never fun. Oh, it looks like you got some scratches in the rim. That's okay, it's probably gonna get more. This thing, now since we have upped the RPMs, especially down in the lower end at 500, it should be able to pick up a little bit more and want to go up more. Instead of limiting itself because it's only set to a certain percentage, now since we gave it more beans, oh, yeah, yeah, that had no problem. Ooh, somebody's got to do some landscaping up here. So now I just got to get comfortable with the adjustments I made, and I got to get down with these wheelies, man. It's been too long. I definitely feel a difference when the regen kicks in as soon as I let off the throttle. Like, as soon as I let off, it drags a little bit, but not enough to where it feels like the bike is slowing down a lot. But there is pros and cons to that. Yeah, you might lose a little bit of speed, but the good part about it is that power is being brought back into your battery. This thing is cool because you don't have to worry about oil changes. You don't have to put gas in it, especially with these high gas prices. Now, since we got the right settings, we got brake settings. Woo! Yeah, see, that time it didn't lock up the wheel. I barely hit the brake and it just dropped down a little bit. So this is my first time taking it out since we made the settings. I'm still at full bar. I've only been out for about 20 minutes or so. So this is going to be another test to see how long this battery lasts now with the settings. So it is going a little bit faster, but we are also regenerating a little bit more. So I'm not sure if it's going to be a major difference, if we're going to get a little bit more battery life. I hope it's more battery life. You already know I got to get a shot in real quick. Kobe! That's in. Oof. Had to get my shot in real quick. Let's take a step back from it, right? Take a step back. Take a step back. Ready? This is a dirt bike. And yes, you can get supermoto wheels and you can take this around the city-like area. This is a dirt bike at the end of the day. So if you're taking it in the type of terrain where it's, you know, you got some hills and whatnot, you're able to go down hills and let it regenerate it without touching the throttle, it could last you a pretty long time. If you're in your backyard and you got that type of terrain, it's not bad. I ride this thing short distance all around. You know, maybe I'll throw it in the back of my truck and take it somewhere. But again, with the pros and cons, there's no oil, no gas. You just charge it and go. Make sure your tires are looking good. I still got air. Chain is not too bad. Chain is pretty good. And then your brake pads. All you gotta do is look at the brake pads. I still got a lot of brake pads there. I don't use the rears that much. And the fronts, yeah, the fronts are getting eaten up a little bit because I use those a lot, especially to brake when I'm slowing down. So, you know, we will be needing brake pads soon. I will be making a video on that. I'm also going to be making a video. I guess I'll be doing like a 300-mile service or maintenance on it. That's really just going to consist of adjusting the chain, making sure the tire pressures are good, looking over the brake pads, and just making sure everything inside is holding up. Take the seat off, look inside, make sure there's not too much dirt and whatnot in there, because sometimes dirt can get in there. But that's about it. And I got a pretty good setup going on here. It's not bad. It is fun. This thing is really nice to mess around with. I appreciate y'all watching. You want to see more videos about the Heybike? Let me know. I see y'all in the comments. I've been answering them. Let me know what else you want to see. I'm still doing some upgrades with this thing. I want to do a new rear fender since I broke the old one. It's actually still here. It broke off when I did a wheelie. But I kind of want to find something different that's a little bit longer than the stock one because it only comes out to about right here. But y'all let me know. I'll catch y'all later. I'm Rowdy DB, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.